So I've been thinking a lot about habits lately. I mean, every January 1st, millions of people resolve to do something differently. I mean, eventually, often gradually, even unconsciously. Most people give up their goals in favor of short-term temptations. I mean, we work our way back to our normal, right? I mean, it's the normal that got you where you were when you resolved that you did not want to be there. I mean, because we're human, we all have habits. I mean, some of them are great, but some of them are really screwing you. And once we get into that routine, we rarely get outside of that routine. I mean, our habits, they become our ruts. It's the same stimuli day in and day out, predictably leading you down the exact same path. So how do we turn the tables? I mean, how do we create a new reality? Up until the late 1990s, scientists believed that our brains developed in our early years and just became fixed, just quit growing. But now science has proven that our brain changes throughout our lives, and it grows from the things that we repeatedly do or experience. So if you're in a routine, always doing the same things over and over and over, many of your brain synapses are literally dying off from a lack of use. But if you're continually exposing yourself to new experiences and situations, thoughts and ideas, your brain is growing, it's adapting, it's expanding, and it's adding new pathways in response to all that stimulation. I mean, the human brain is amazing. It changes and it grows with experience. What you repeatedly do or think can cause your brain to rewire itself. Now, the science is known as neuroplasticity, and we've built NeuroQ around it. Here's how it works. Choose a conditioning module and configure your schedule settings by picking your days, time frames, and frequency for your conditioning. NeuroQ sends you reminders through app notifications and text messages when you have a 60-second stimulus response session that's ready. NeuroQ alternates the stimulus for each session. You might receive a phone call, a short paragraph to read, or a video to view.
Vast difference
Then you respond to the stimulus. Your brain takes a mental snapshot. The message lingers in your head, and with enough repetition, your body carries it out into action. Repetition is key. NeuroQ reaches out to you throughout the day to act as your personal support coach. Your brain's neural pathways are strengthened into habits through the repetition and practice of thinking, feeling, and acting. Now, this is the secret formula. Write this down. It's your new best friend for spearheading personal change. Number one, exposure to new ideas and experiences stretches your brain. Number two, repetition. It causes your brain to store these new concepts in your short-term memory. And number three, repeatedly engaging in a new behavior or a thought process moves it into your long-term memory, your subconscious mind, where it can begin to run on autopilot. You see, it's those conditioned patterns that are trumping our desired results. I mean, the good news is that your conditioning is not who you are, but who you learn to be. You can change your conditioning. You can be, do, and have more. Whoa.